I've always envisioned these beautiful borders around my garden just filled with flowers. But instead, this is what I got. Hey, I'm Ursula Carmona, and welcome to Home and Made by Carmona. Today, I'm going to show you my garden borders and how I'm re-envisioning it. I think the fact that I didn't have a lot of success before was because I kept planting annuals, which require a lot of care. Every year you have to reseed. And because they're not native plants, they require some upkeep, something I did not have time for. So instead, I'm partnering with My Home Park, a very cool company that has the plants shipped right to your door. You get to create a custom garden with their help online, specific to the needs of your area, whether it gets a lot of sun or not enough sun, what the soil is like, all kinds of things, the colors you prefer, or you can choose from one of their existing designs. They can even provide things like bloom time, a little bit of information on each plant that they're sending you, and a planting guide, which is really helpful because I don't know about you, but I'm not a landscape designer. I don't have a tractor, so I'm not about to make my life more difficult by having to turn over all this ground. Now, to prepare this border, all I'm going to do is put soil on top of the existing leaves. That's just going to help prevent future weeds from growing too quickly. I'm just using the planting guide provided, and I'm popping all of these in the ground, giving them a really good watering. Now, each spot that I'm planting in, I'm actually digging all the way down to my native clay because it really holds the water and moisture well. And that way I have a layer of leaves, a layer of clay, and a layer of this good, wonderful, rich soil. Of course, I am never one to just plant and go. Because the plants are small right now, there's not a lot going on in the border. It already looks so much better, but I think we can go ahead and add a little visual interest. So I'd like to add some things like some beautiful pots, some trellises, just a little decor in the border itself to add a little interest until all of these plants grow nice and mature. So what do you think? Huge improvement, right? Now stay tuned and subscribe because I will be sharing what this looks like in the fall and then again the following year. Happy gardening.